What is a migraine headache? This is a question you've probably asked yourself or heard others ask. To answer it, we need to dive into the complex world of neuroscience. A migraine is not just a common headache. It's a neurological condition that is characterized by intense, debilitating headaches, often accompanied by nausea, vomiting, and extreme sensitivity to light and sound. But what exactly is happening in the brain during a migraine? The first thing to understand is that migraines are a result of abnormal brain activity. This abnormal activity can be triggered by a variety of factors, including stress, certain foods, and even changes in the weather. The process starts in the brainstem, where neurons send out signals that cause the blood vessels in the brain to dilate. This dilation is a key factor in the onset of a migraine. As the blood vessels expand, they press against nerve fibers that wrap around them, causing these nerves to release chemicals like substance P and calcitonin gene-related peptide, or CGRP. These chemicals cause inflammation and further dilation of the blood vessels, creating a vicious cycle of pain. Simultaneously, the brain's electrical activity changes, and a wave of nerve cell activity spreads across the brain. This is known as cortical spreading depression. It's like a slow-moving wave of temporary paralysis that affects one part of the brain at a time, causing the symptoms that often accompany a migraine, such as visual disturbances or tingling in the limbs. The thalamus, the brain's relay station for sensory information, also plays a role in migraines. During a migraine, the thalamus becomes hypersensitive, amplifying sensory information like light, sound, and touch. This is why migraine sufferers often retreat to dark, quiet rooms. Now that we understand what is happening in the brain during a migraine, let's summarize the key points. Firstly, a migraine is more than just a headache. It's a complex neurological event that involves changes in brain activity, blood vessel dilation, and the release of pain-inducing chemicals. Secondly, the brainstem, blood vessels, nerve fibers, and the thalamus all play crucial roles in the onset and progression of a migraine. Lastly, migraines can be triggered by a variety of factors, and they often involve sensory hypersensitivity, making light, sound, and touch unbearable for the sufferer. Understanding migraines is crucial, not just for those who suffer from them, but for everyone. The more we know about these debilitating headaches, the closer we get to finding effective treatments and hopefully a cure. So the next time someone asks, "What is a migraine headache?" you'll have the answer.